Hey friends, it's Country Mouse here, and I'm finally off a YouTube suspension. That is where I've been. I recently was able to start commenting on other people's videos, and I'm like, ooh! And then I kept trying to upload and upload. I was supposed to be suspended for 2 weeks, and it's been well over a month. So I tried to upload a video last night, and some of you guys might have seen it, and then all of a sudden it disappeared. That was me. I wanted to make sure it go through the upload situation, and it did. So we're going to try that this morning. Today we're going to do a face mask. Apparently 2019 is going to be all about pink clay. We have the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask, Detoxifying Brightening. Woo! That's a lot of words. And I've got a couple of different ones of these samples, so if I end up not liking this tube, I will put the other tubes into giveaways. I do have giveaways going, about to start up again. I'm behind. I hit my 2-year mark and beginning of, well, February 14th, Valentine's Day. So 2 years. I haven't grown as much as I wanted to, but we're going to do it this year. We're going to take it to a next level. Somebody had asked me in one of my comments on one of my videos, and I could not respond back to any of those comments, but they asked me what the brush was that I was using, and it's actually an EcoTools brush. It comes in, I think you might be able to buy the brush by itself, but it comes in a little set like this, and it's got the take-off mask sponge things, which are amazing. You can get these at Walmart. I think Target might also have them, and I believe Ulta has them too. I think I got mine from Walmart. I ended up buying a couple packs from there. They're amazing. They wash out well. I didn't even need a new brush, but I'm too lazy to go straight to the bathroom to go grab that brush. So we're just going to open up and use a new one. And we'll be alright. Alright, right now my skin has some ejecto mundo breakout situations because I've been very, very stressed and just, you know, I guess YouTube realized I needed to take a break. Some of you guys were telling me I needed to take a break before, and I don't know. When somebody tells you to do something like that, you kind of, I balled up my fist like I was going to hit somebody. No, but you're like, no, I'm going to show you that I can do this. And that's the type of person I am. I'm one of those people that, you tell me I can't do it, buddy, I'm going to go out and I'm going to do it. I'm going to be 10 times better at it. This time I couldn't because of my health and everything, so. Ooh. That's an interesting smell. It's not too bad, but I'm not sure. Give me a second. Maybe I can come up with what it smells like. I do have some bad dry skin, some severe texture right through here, just in this area. Like I could feel it raise up. I need to retexturize my skin, I believe. Oh, that's cold. And it just feels like I'm smoothing on some cream. So there's no grittiness or anything. And I don't have anything to pull up any reviews of what people said. Oh, I just washed my hair. Man. It'll be okay. It is having a little cooling effect, but I think that's because it's cold in the tube. And as always, keep this stuff away from your eyes. I don't know if it says it on the back, but I guarantee you should keep it away from your eyes. Yeah, it's got that like menthol kind of tingly burny feeling around my nose right there where I put it. I don't know if I like that, but hey, it might be clearing out a lot of things that's deep in those pores, because as you can't tell, I guarantee you can't tell. Well, hopefully you can't tell. I have went on a binge of not really taking care of my skin, only here and there, and I used to take really good care of my skin. I know, I need to get up there and do that nose, but oh my. Okay, as you can see, some of the spots are drying down. I do feel a tightening going on around like my lip and my nose area. I can feel like a burning sensation. It's not horrendous, but if you're very, very sensitive to the burning, to any type of burning sensation on your skin, you probably don't want to put it around those areas. Might try it somewhere else. Do a patch test. I have a cooling effect, like it's not tingling or anything, but it feels colder down here on my chin. Feels nice. It does feel like it's tightening up. So we will see what happens when we're done. See if it makes it look better. And I will go over the skincare I have been using to attempt to try to get my skin better. Stay tuned. Alright, that mask dried down beautifully in basically 20 minutes. It did get a little bit tighter, but not like where you felt like your face was going. It wasn't anything like that. It was a nice tightness. Few pores that was on my nose. Looks very clean. I've got so much dry patchiness right there. I don't even know what to do right there. Don't mind the eyebrows. Hopefully they'll be taken care of next week. In fact, at the end of this video, there will be 4 different colors of hair. I would like for you guys to choose your favorites out of those, because I'm going to go get my hair done next week. And some of this will be cut off, which I don't think a whole lot. Maybe about 6 inches. So it might be cut up to here. Somewhere around there. But my pores look pretty good. My skin feels a lot more dried out than what it was, though. So if you got super, super dry skin, I wouldn't suggest this. The places that wasn't dry feel very, very soft. And I don't really see a glow. It's supposed to have a detoxifying and brightening. Do I look brighter? We're talking about my face right now, not my IQ. But, alright. I'd use it again. I'd just wait till my skin was a lot more oily. So I might have to break that back out in the summertime and try it then when my skin is really, really oily. Right now, since I've had all the surgery done and been through so many medications, it's like taken all the moisture out of my skin and dried me out. So let's move on to something else. Alright, for what I've been using for my face to wash it in the mornings, I go back and forth because I have 2 different cleansers in the shower. One's an exfoliating one. I believe it's the Dr.Brandt one, and I didn't bring that in. And the other one is an It Cosmetics cleanser, which is more moisturizing, so I go back and forth on those. In the mornings, I use either Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, or I use the Soap and Glory, which I love this one. It's the 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash. This stuff is amazing. It's got the little beads in it and everything else. Makes your skin feel very, very soft, smooth. It gives it a little bit of a glow and feels like it's really exfoliated a lot of that dead skin off your face, but without hurting you in any way, if that makes sense. During the mornings, I use Rin Clean Skincare Keep Young and Beautiful Instant Firming Shot. It looks like this. And this is my serum. And I actually like it. You can feel a little bit of it actually firming up the skin, tightening up the skin, however you want to say. I don't know if over time your skin will actually be like that, or if this is just once you put it on, it's going to be like that. But it comes out clear. And I think because I'm running behind, I will have to do my other video when I come back from paying my land taxes. because those have to be paid before the end of this month. And that's getting here. Alright, that stuff dries down amazing. It has, at first, before it fully dries, it has a tack to it. But then everything just seems so smooth. I like it. A little bit goes a long way. You can get it down your neck and everything else. Awesome. And then the next thing I've been using during the day is the Strivectin Intensive Eye Concentrate for wrinkles. I have a little bit of lines going on around my eyes. Not too bad. I figure at 36 they should really be there, especially with how expressionist I am on my face. But it's just a white cream. Oh, don't get it in your eye, especially if you have nails. I mean, there is a little bit more brightening and moisturizing look to it. Been trying to get it up around here, and maybe it'd moisturize that area that's dry. Anybody else get this dry patch right here? Oh, I can't wait to get my eyebrows done. I've just been so, like, out of it. So depressed, so not wanting to do anything. And for my moisturizer during the day, I use the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizing with Hyaluronic Acid. And this stuff, when it comes out, it seems like it's thick. And I might actually be at the end of it. Awesome. One of these days, I'm going to have to take you guys around the room, show you my collection of odd and ends things. And you can see why I'm kind of on a no-buy for a while. I don't know when it's going to end, but when it does, it's going to mean that I'm completely out of stuff, because I am stocked probably for the next couple years. Especially getting all these subscription boxes and stuff like that. Oh, that feels good. That's very nice moisturizing. For any type of dry skin, that is amazing. Makes your skin feel supple, soft. It gives it a nice glow so you don't look all dry and parched out. Now, for longevity, I'm not sure about that. You might want to go get one of those little facial mister things that's supposed to bring moisture back into it, kind of like the Mario Badescu sprays or something like that. At night, I've been using Kiehls Midnight Recovery Eye, and it's been working out pretty good. And I mix this Kiehls Midnight Recovery Concentrate with whatever moisturizer I'm using, which the moisturizers I bounce back and forth. They're night masks. So we have the SooAE Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. Now, I tried this stuff in a little packet, and I loved it. And I kept searching for it online to buy it, and everything was expensive. You can get this tube right here at Walmart for $7.49, and there's 2.7 fluid ounces. I bought 2 of them because that's all it was left in their stock, was 2. A lot of people love this stuff, so if you've never tried this, you should. It does bring a lot of moisture to your skin, plumps it up, makes it look nice in the morning. And just be careful how much you're putting on. If you're putting it on and then going straight to bed, do a light amount. If you're going to be staying up and watching TV for an hour or so, you can put the amount you feel is good for your skin on, so it has more time to soak in before it gets on your pillowcase. You should always wash your pillowcases, at least change them out every couple days, especially if you're doing nighttime masks. And I bounce back and forth between that one and this Kiehls Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. Instantly skin feels firmer and looks smoother. It is true. It does feel firmer and smoother. And it's hard, you know, you really, I don't think you can see it there. I haven't took too much out of there because this stuff, it's like a creamy balm feeling, and kind of, once you put it on, it kind of sinks down as an oil, which oils are not great for me, but this one works out just fine. Next morning, my face is not as plump as what it is with the donkey milk mask, but I'm trying to even out everything. I'm afraid if I use the donkey milk mask too much right now, it'd be my luck, I'll break out, in which I'm breaking out because of stress anyways, and all this medication. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget, in a few seconds, there is going to be 4 different pictures popped up there. They may not be colors for you, but they're hair colors for me. Bright colors make me feel happy. I've been in this slump of wearing black and dark blues, and I feel like my teenage years all over again. So, you know, go check that out. Let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment and let me know you're new so I can say hi to you and welcome you into the group. And I'll see everybody later. Bye.